What's up, everyone? Today we're doing another form of Nerds Ropes. This one is for everybody who doesn't want to buy or doesn't have a Nerds Rope mold. How do you do it? Super easy. Just grab a 9x13 and follow me. Come on. Now before we get started, just keep in mind that you can use any recipe that I've shown here on my channel as the base. Alright? Super easy. It's up to you. Which one will you choose? Let me know in the comments. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do to prepare the pan is to hit it with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. Just a little bit. Just like such. Now what this does, it will hold the nerds in place. Not like with Kung Fu Grip Master strength, but it will hold it in place. And it helps when we get to that point. Now, take a paper towel and just like that. Make sure you hit the sides. Make sure you hit the camera, and voila. Now I make candies with nerds a lot, so I do this. Normally it takes about 5 theater boxes of nerds candies. However, you can use as many as you'd like. I like to use a box like this to tamp them down into place, or you can use the nerds box. Need a little more here, and there, and in that corner. Now once that's ready, all it needs is the magic sauce, and I'll be back to show you how we do that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next, all we're going to do is pour nice and gently on here and hope that we don't break any of this up. If we do, that's okay, doesn't matter. Start wherever you want, just try to get it in there nice and easy. Just like that. Try not to get on the sidewalls though. Gonna use a clean spatula to get that right off of the edge here. Just like such. Oh, I didn't get this side. Now, take nerds and sprinkle all over the top. Now we're going to take that box and tamp them down. This just gets them seated in real nice. Now there will be a layer on top when we get this out, and you'll see it when I show you. We'll have a bunch of extras, and then you can put that in your bag and save it for next time. And that's it for now.
Oh, dang it.
And here's a better look at that knife. About this big. It's very sharp, and it's actually meant for pizza. But you can use any knife, a butcher's knife, chef's knife, whatever you want. I just like to use this because it's quicker. I also have a guitar string cutter, but my base is broke, so that's why I got this. But wait, one more tip. Let them sit for an hour and a half to 2 hours in the pan before removing them. This will make it a ton easier to cut. As soon as they're out, just as you saw me do, and then put them on cooling racks to cure for a few days, just like you would with my other gummies from all the other recipes. All right, I promise. Now, if you let them cure before cutting them, it is loads harder to do. You'll put that knife and your fingers through a rigorous workout. All right, anyway, that's all. And there you have it, Nerds Ropes Gummies that you can do from your home kitchen. And all you need is a few simple tools and you're on your way. These things are super delicious. Check that out. Oh yeah, they're one of my favorite candies. Anyway, if you need any help, you know what to do. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye. Yeah, you're gonna like them.